Okay guys, so the hunt for the letter E is still on. Subukan natin ngayon sa Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. Tingnan natin kung may letter E. Letter yun, letter E. Coke Zero Coke Zero Sugar 500 ml, may letter E. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.